This takes the cake for the biggest furnace that I've seen. It's got a full-on like, industrial electric motor with a belt running the blower. And the input BTU is not showing, but client said this is 180 or 190,000 BTU. It's an absolute monster. This is only a 2,500 square foot house. This is really crazy oversized. And since I've been here doing the audit, the temperature just jumps way up and then falls off real fast. And when it's heating up, it's actually uncomfortable. I kept getting too hot, wearing a hoodie inside, and then by the time it kicked back on again, I needed my hoodie again. That's not a good way to live. So, as part of an audit, so recommend some equipment, and we can fix this.